Hey everyone, so today I want to show you this neat little site. It's called Viral Content Bee, and it's kind of fun because it gives you an opportunity to get your posts and your blog posts and stuff shared by lots of different people. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I do log in with Twitter just because it makes it easier for me. So here we go. So there's a couple different ways you can go about doing this. So you can either add new projects or you can just add to. So what I'm going to show you first is how to get credits. So you get credits by sharing other people's stuff. So, okay, let's look at this post here. Is this something that my people on Twitter would like to see? I'm going to say yes. It definitely is. They're definitely interested in SEO. So I can go ahead and tweet this and send now. And voila, I've got credits. So I'm just going to do a couple more just so we have some fun stuff to play with. And you don't have to send them all out at once. You can send them, you can buffer them, you can schedule them, whatever you want. If you schedule them or buffer them, you won't get the credit until it actually goes out. So just keep that in mind too. So just grab a few more credits so that we can have some fun here. Enough that we can do stuff. Now, here we go, a couple more and we're good. How many do we have here? 9, let's go for one more. Voila, okay. So now I have 10 credits. So essentially what we can do is add a new project. So one of the things I can do, and these have to be blog posts, by the way. You can't like tweet out your specials or a work with me page because those will get rejected. So it's gotta be a blog post. So I'm gonna do this just to show you. I don't really want to do this one, but I'm just gonna do it to show you. So this is the URL that I want to promote. And then I could all about search marketing. And then I can even add a little description, but I think they only let you do like 200 words. I'm just gonna grab this one right here. And bam, and then I can take the different interests. So this one goes into blogging tips. It's about SEO and social. And I want your web design in there too. So you have to have at least 10 credits, I think, to start a project, but you want to make sure that you allow them to tweet. You can attach an image so that it goes out always with the same image. I usually do Facebook. I don't really do the Pinterest and the Stumble Upon because it's really where I'm trying to get the traffic here. And then bam, make sure that you know the quality guides and then submit. Now it's going to have to get monitored first and then it will be approved. So, oh, mine was approved already. Sweet. Okay, so really, this isn't where I want the credits to go. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these so that I get the credits back. Woohoo. So this is the post that I really want to be driving traffic to. So every day what I do is I come in and I get some credits by sharing, and I'll just add credits here. So here I can add 10 credits for today, and voila. So this means that I have 109 credits in the schedule. I have 81 left, but I have 95 scheduled. So 95 people have already agreed to tweet this out. So I had to make sure that I'm going to have to add some more in over the next couple of days to make sure that that's constantly increasing. But definitely want to make sure that you kind of keep an eye on this, because once you run out of credits, it just stops. Like basically, if I don't add any more credits, once these 81 credits are used, I'm going to have 14 people that scheduled a tweet to go out, and it's not going to go out. So that's something you want to keep in mind. It's free. There's upgrades. You want to make sure too, if you have really have something that you want to promote, 30 credits is going to get it up there, 30 or more. So do what you can. This, again, it's not a requirement, but it's a nice little tip to get you a little bit more traction for your blog post. Any questions, just comment below. Bye, guys.